Díaghuiid gach duine, an teachtain seo tá míid ag foghlaim faoi bia. This week we're learning about food. Féach na cearnóga gorum. Okay, look at the blue squares. Tá an focal I, to eat, agus an focal ó, to drink. Féach na cearnóga guruma, sin iad Bricfeasta, breakfast. So I'm going to reveal each one of the Bricfeasta squares, and I want you to aber an focal lum. Say the word with me. Aran. Aber e lum. Say it with me. Aran. Is mahlum aran done Bricfeasta. I like bread for breakfast. Ishbini. Aber e lumsa. Ishbini. Is mahlum ishbini done Bricfeasta. Pancoga. Aber e lumsa. Pancoga. Is mahlum pancoga done Bricfeasta. Inish, déan toish an ceann ella. Have a guess, what will the next one be? It's all to drink. So, cada nolan to done Bricfeasta. What do you drink with breakfast? So, déan toish, make a guess. Cafe. Aber e lumsa. Cafe. Olum cafe done Bricfeasta. Ivica. Aber e lum. Is mahlum ivica done Bricfeasta. Okay, inish féach an céad ceann ella sin I. So déan tosh, make a guess. Cada ihan tú done Bricfeasta. Gránach, cereal. Aber e lumsa. Gránach. Is mahlum gránach done Bricfeasta. Okay, inish déan tosh. Bagoon, bacon. Bagoon. Is mahlum bagoon done Bricfeasta. Okay, déan tosh an céad ceann ella. Im, butter. Is mahlum im done Bricfeasta. Okay, déan tosh an céad ceann ella. Cosh, cheese. Aber e lum. Cosh. Is mahlum cosh done Bricfeasta. Agus an ceann dearnach, the last breakfast one, déan tosh, make a guess. All. Cada nolan tú done Bricfeasta. Té. Aber e lumsa. Té. Is mahlum té done Bricfeasta. Okay, inish. Féach na cearnóga bui. Okay, sin loan. So cada nihin tú done loan. Henri. Aber e lum, say it with me. Henri. Is mahlum Henri done loan. Crispy. Aber e lum. Crispy. Is mahlum crispy done loan. Okay, inish, an céad ceann ella sin óil. So déan tosh, make a guess. Cada nolan tú done loan. Sú aráiste. Aber e lum. Sú aráiste. Is matlum sú aráiste done loan. Leawash. So ham. Aber e lum. Leawash. Leawash. Is mahlum leawash done loan. Okay, déan tosh an céad ceann ella. Chiapery, sandwiches. Chiapery. And you could say chiapery leawash, ham sandwiches. Chiapery cosh, cheese sandwiches. Is mahlum chiapery leawash agus cosh done loan. Chocolate, chocolate. I'm not sure if this is a healthy lunch. Chocolate. Is mahlum chocolate done loan. Yogurt. Yogurt. Is mahlum yogurt done loan. Brisky. Brisky. Is mahlum brisky dun lón. Again, not a very healthy choice. Okay, cad atá fágtha. What's left? Na cearnóga dearga. Okay, so arís, tá cearnóga dearga a gcuin le I, agus tá cearnóga dearga a gcuin le ó. So, cad a nihin tú dun Dinnéar? Píisina, peas. Is maith lum píisina dun Dinnéar? Okay, ó, to drink. Déan tosh, what could it be? Ishka. Is maith lum ishka dun Dinnéar? Scialóga, chips. Scialóga. Is maith lum scialóga dun Dinnéar? Okay, ó arís, another one, another drink. I wonder what it would be. Déan tosh, make a guess. Lemonade, lemonade, lemonade. Is maith lum lemonade dun Dinnéar? Burger. Is maith lum burger dun Dinnéar? Cáca. Is maith lum cáca dun Dinnéar? Trátaí, tomatoes. Is maith lum trátaí dun Dinnéar? Shicín, chicken. Shicín. Is maith lum shicín dun Dinnéar? And if you're thinking about it and you remember for lunch we had capri, you could say is maith lum capri shicín dun lón. I like chicken sandwiches for lunch. Fiol, meat. Now fiol means meat and it can also mean beef, but here we'll just say fiol, meat. Is maith lum fiol dun Dinnéar? Agus an ceann dearnach, iasc, fish. Is maith lum iasc dun Dinnéar?